Welcome to LimoExpress, the next generation of limo software. In this video, we will guide you through the registration and login process for our platform. Start by clicking on the pricing button to explore various packages designed for different agency sizes. Choose the one that best suits your needs. If you need any assistance, click the chat button to reach our customer support team, who will respond promptly. You can select from different languages to display the website. Next to this option is the login button. Clicking it will open a login form requiring a username and password for existing users. By checking the Remember Me box, your credentials will be saved, allowing you to log in automatically without retyping them. You can also sign in using Google or click here to register. Then, enter your organization name, address, phone number, and email. These fields are mandatory. As our platform supports multiple languages, you can choose from many options. Finally, confirm the package you selected earlier. The pricing is user-based to fit your team's size. Click Send, and just like that, you're registered on the platform. Afterward, you will receive a verification email, and you're ready to go. Remember, you can always contact us via the Chatbox for any help you need. Enjoy a 14-day free trial. Register now and become a proud member of the LimoExpress family.